here today, boy. And lobsters. Yes, we have with the Kev. We're gonna do a quick video. We're gonna sit too long in the water. The water a little choppy today. So we'll go there, do a quick little fishing for a little bit, and see what we catch. We'll see you guys there. So right now I'm going to my boat. The sun is mad hot today. The beach is very busy also today. So I'm gonna take this canoe right here. I'm gonna paddle to the boat. Yes sir. It's my way out. Sun is mad hot. Yes, right now we're going out there. See if we get some fish. Board home to see if we go out and do a little fishing, you know. Okay, reach our destination. This is where we catch here my first car. Water a little choppy, but we'll walk with that today. Bottom. Catch one already. Chum the water with some Japanese bait. So we get some hands to come out. Just reach bottom. Get some nice baits on there, some small fish. Can I grab my bait? We on one. So I like this spot here. I want to come here. It's automatic. I catching fish, but I want to come this spot. I feel like a hand. Really nice. Oh yeah. Want to come here? Look at this, guys. I want to come here. It's automatic. I catch him, boy. Line, put on again. Drop it bottom again. The fish finder really some good fish too also. The showing at the bottom is busy. I'll show the water a little bit. Yes guys, we on again. Feel like a next one again, feel like a next hand. We on again. Show you guys how we look under the water. Yes sir. We on. Next one. Yeah man, the fish finder going off down there, boy. Going crazy. Not too far from shore, but this spot here you don't really get touched much because people don't really know where it is. But this is my spot here. You usually come to shoot fish, you know. come here and shoot fish here. It's a very good spot. Not too deep, but it's a very good spot. Dropping down again, guys. Dropping down again. As you see. Line going down. Maybe like the next 10 seconds. I got something again on the boat. We're going down. Same bait. We change the bait here. We got bait. We get bait. Bait down there, but they don't want to hold on. They don't want to hold on, boy. Come on, solid. Let's go. Follow. Chop foot down a little bit. Some fish. Look at the big hangs. What's a little rough today? On again. Think she come off. Think she come off. See, so but these hooks I got here, the fish can't come off there. And the hook there, it's a small one, man. Oh, something bust my line. Look at that. Something bust my line. Something big down there. Something big down there, bust my line, boy. What? Don't worry. I got something for you. I got something for you. I got something for you. Yeah, I got him. I catch him, guys. I catch him. Gotta be a barracuda. Gotta be a barracuda. I catch him, boy. I catch him. Greedy. I catch him. Come on. I catch him. Got a barracuda here for sure. Come. Greedy. Fucking greedy. Yeah. Come. Can't bust this line. Fucking greedy. Yeah. Come on, girl. See that? Ain't going nowhere. Woo. Come here. Big boy. Come here. Little road. Woo. A big fella. Jeffrey. I don't want to. Can't boss mainline partner. It's 100% test. Can't boss this partner. I don't want you now. Take you for the cooler. Fella, you shock. Go on, leave it here, no? You got something else on the line? I don't know what it is. Right. One thing about when they eat a fish, when they eat a meat, it's swallowing that bait to me. Phone you. Big dong in his mouth, like. Hey, nah. You can have it, eh? I expect you for no bait. You can have it. You can have it, bro. You can have it. Cut that shit. In the box. A lot of fish. Fishing with one hook now. Listen. Look at this, guys. I'll treat you a little low, so I'm walk the field. Okay, guys, we fishing with some strip now. They're biting good on the strip actually. Woo! Got a nice one here, boy. Like an old wife. Gotta be an old wife pulling like that. Yeah. Yeah, you pull so hard like that. Yeah, you want. You hook that, you want to come out. You put it down there. Fish, fish, fish. Yes, boy. Run teeth. And all about it. Full cooler. Yes, sir. Got any problem here? Got total. Yes. Ah. Oh. You don't take turtles there, guys. Back off in the water. Okay. So we do it, guys. Okay, guys, this is how the cooler looking. We got a little bit of everything. Can't complain to that at all. One of my best catches was today. It was good after all. Hey guys, we gonna call that day. We're heading back home now, okay? Be right. Hey guys, it was a good day after all, can't complain. Heading back home now. What I'm doing is start taking off my stuff, like my fish finder and stuff. When I go in shore, all I gotta do is take off and just Move. Yes, sir. See you guys on next vlog. See you guys in next video. Like, share, comment, do all that good stuff. Bye.